Let me guess. You're checking your bank account again. Not because you're about to buy anything. Not because you forgot what's in there. You're just hoping it went up somehow. Maybe you finally crossed $1,200. Maybe $2,700. And everyone online keeps saying, just save your first $5,000. Everything changes after that. But here's the thing. Saving that first $5,000 feels insanely hard. Like every unexpected bill knows exactly when you're making progress. Your car needs repairs, your phone breaks, your friend's getting married, your dog suddenly needs a $400 vet visit. And it feels like every time you take 2 steps forward, money yanks you 3 steps back. Meanwhile, you hear people casually say things like, "Oh yeah, after I hit $50,000, it just kind of snowballed." And you're sitting there thinking, how is that even possible? Am I just bad with money? Why does this feel so much harder for me than everyone else? If that sounds familiar, yeah, this video is for you.